How much power does a solar panel put out when you have an overcast or cloudy sky? Now I have a very typical day here in late fall and early winter in Illinois, and I want to use that as an example and do a few different tests to show you what you can expect on your own systems. We'll be taking 3 different data points. We'll be using the Heliene 360 watt panels there. I'll use 2 of those wired in series and then going through a power analyzer into an EcoFlow Delta Pro. And then I'll do that same test across 4 different 100 watt Thunderbolt panels from Harbor Freight, and similarly going through a power analyzer and then into an EcoFlow Delta Pro. Now we'll run those 2 setups kind of in the core sunlight hours of the day and then see what percentage of the rated power for these setups did we actually produce on this cloudy day. In addition, I'll also show you what I produced at my home, which is an 11.3 kilowatt professionally installed system. And then just for your reference, from a cloudiness perspective, we do have a few breaks of sunlight, but overall it is pretty overcast, and it's been this way throughout the trials that I'm running. So I'm just using 2 of these 360 watt panels wired in series. So that would be a maximum of 720 watts. Now you guys should know, when you see the rated capacity on panels, that is under what's called standard test conditions, or STC. So you're very rarely going to see 360 watts, even on a sunny day, depending on when that is during the day, if there's any haze in the sky, what season you're in. There's multiple different factors that depends on. So you can see we are in series. So then these little power analyzers are what we use to get the sample point. Now we don't have to be overly accurate here, and this is just a spot check, so it will fluctuate, as the EcoFlow Delta Pro has an MPPT charge controller in it, and that charge controller is trying to make the most out of what we're getting. But right now we're only running in about 44 watts. And remember, that is on a maximum of 720 watts. This is with the 2 Helienes in series, but we're also running 4 100 watt panels here in series. So that would be a maximum of 400. And the challenge here is, even when you get low here, so we're lower in terms of wattage, and it looks like the charge controller in the EcoFlow Delta Pro is having a tough time really locking in on the optimal point. So you'll see there's a lot of fluctuation in your voltage, and then that brings your wattage up and down. I have the data right here from those 3 different setups, so let's take a look. System 1 is the 400 watts, the 4 100 watt panels in series. System 2, the 720 watts, that's the 2 Heliene 360s in series. And then my home setup on system number 3. I took 5 different test points every 15 minutes, and then I averaged those out. So the average for system 1 was 33.6 watts produced from that system. So a small fraction, but all the other systems were similar. System 2 on average produced 51 watts, and then my home system produced an average of 500 watts. So if we divide that by the rated power, that's where we get what percentage were we putting out during cloudy conditions or overcast conditions. System 1 did the best, but we did have a lot of fluctuation there, so there is probably some error in the data. That was 8.4%. System 2 was 7.1, and System 3 was 4.4, which resulted in an average of, during the test period, we only produced 6.6% of the rated power. So you can see, producing under 10% on the cloudy day where it's cloudy all day, that is something that you do need to plan for if you're designing your own system. But let me know what you guys are seeing. If you have your own systems, you have your own experience, what percentage of your overall rated power do you guys see on cloudy days?